girl. I'll be looking rough. Look at my hair. Anyways, y'all, I have not done a grocery haul in, it's been a while. So, today I went to Walmart. Hey, Adrian. I went to Walmart and got some groceries. So I'm going to turn you around and show you what we got.
Whatever that rotisserie chicken is.
Alrighty.
We have some wild caught, Atlantic cod.
Y'all, be on the lookout Friday on my What's for Dinner. I'm making a recipe, and I have never cooked cod. I really haven't cooked much fish.
What the heck is that?
This is ground chicken. It's for something I'm going to make.
Why does it look like noodles? Then we have 2 of these beef steak tomatoes. We have 2 lemons and 2 more tomatoes. And we have more tomatoes. I mean, like tomatoes.
I've got a lot of stuff. I'm gonna do some meal prepping, all kinds of stuff, salads. I'm trying to get myself together, you know, first of the year.
Here is 2 cucumbers and a purple onion.
And what do y'all call it? I know I've asked before. They say red onions, but I call them purple. Come on, they're purple. They're not red.
A green bell pepper, a red bell pepper, and
avocados.
2 avocados and 3 jalapenos, and then we have some broccoli florets, corn, broccoli.
I got 2 bags of those.
2 bags of these broccoli cuts. Over here we have some cinnamon mini donuts and some frosted chocolate donuts and some powdered donuts. Kosher dill baby holes, pickles, and then we have 2 of these black bean frizzoles.
Black beans. Frioles.
Here's some Old Bay seasoning.
For fish. And
some buttermilk. Cream cheese. Panko breadcrumbs.
Yeah.
We have a bag of triple cheddar cheese, mozzarella cheese, and sharp cheddar cheese.
That's heartburn medicine. Ooh,
sweet.
I haven't had sweet pickles in forever. They look good.
Garlic powder, tartar sauce, Dijon mustard, brown rice, Nutty Buddies.
They've already got into the Nutty Buddies.
And honey buns.
Underneath there's honey buns.
Honey buns. And then we have some grated Parmesan cheese, bow tie noodles.
Y'all, Walmart was out of all kind of noodles.
Bow tie noodles, Alfredo, a white chicken chili
I haven't
mix,
never tried that, but I'm going to try
chili mix, and a fajita mix.
She's going so fast.
And
look at this, y'all. It's a ranch taco seasoning.
Ranch taco seasoning. 2 bags of peppered gravy mix.
It's a sausage one.
Greek Chobani yogurt. And this rotisserie chicken that looks like bomb right now.
I'm going to use that for some salads. And y'all, look at this. And I meant to buy some plain chips for this.
This is some deep fried pickle dip.
If y'all have had that, let me know if y'all like it.
Or if you should,
I'm going to have to buy some chips now for it.
And over here we have some Starbucks iced coffee in the medium roast and a bag of potatoes.
We have one more bag over here from the meat market, which is just chicken breast. And then they make the best, let me get it out of here to show y'all, sorry y'all, best pimento cheese. And then in this other sack I had to get a prescription, and you know, everything's on clearance. This was not marked to be on clearance, but look at this pajama set. I got it for $2 and like 96 cents or something. I don't care if it says Santa, I will wear it. So anyways, that was a quick grocery haul, but I thought I would let y'all see because I haven't done one in forever. So, see y'all Friday.